On August 3rd, 2025, I took a small layout up to the KCI Expo Center in Kansas City, Missouri. Unlike previous renditions, this layout was built on 4 folding tables with tablecloths and O48 curves and O36 curves on elevated piers. For the first half of the show, we had O36 in a circle as well. For those of you unfamiliar with the Mid-America Train and Toys show, it is a Sunday show that runs typically from about 9 to 2, so there's not enough time to set up a major layout and tear it down all in one day. This combination O48 and O36 layout seemed to be about the right combination for this show, given the few hours and the scope. I also did some walking around and looked at some of the vendor tables in some spare time. Now, this isn't a huge show, so there's not going to be the level of dealers and deals that you may get at a larger show, but there are several people that I know at these shows, and there are still some good deals to be had. The convention hall is not huge, and there seem to be a little bit less tables than last couple shows, but it's still a great show nonetheless, and it's good to have some representation of O-Scale. This is also the same convention hall that they will host the National Train Show at in January of next year. My friend Mike also had a table as well. The Heart of America TCA had a very large presence of items for sale at this show. Here I am walking down the length of the several tables that they had purchased to sell at this show, showcasing some of the items. There's a little bit of Lionel, a little bit of MTH, and a little bit of Atlas, as well as scale stuff and semi-scale for all collectors alike. It was really cool to see them here at the show. After capturing some footage of the show hall, it was back to the layout to do some more running. My friend MPH Trains was running his Katy Heritage unit up top. As the show progressed, we started rotating items and changing the track plan a little. Overall, I would say it was a pretty solid show. I was able to fit the entire layout and all the accessories in my car, which is great for a smaller SUV, but I really enjoyed hanging out with friends and chatting with hobbyists alike. Shows like these are great ways to connect with existing friends and meet new ones as well, and sometimes get some good deals. Train shows are just fun. I wanted to make this video short and sweet and just highlight some of the highlights of this show. If you like what you see, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell button if you want some notifications. I have quite a few shows coming up here in the near future, so I'm excited for those. Thanks!